To invest on Robinhood, start by downloading the app and creating an account. You will need to provide some personal information and funding source to get started. Once your account is approved, you can begin investing. First, understand the different types of investment options available on Robinhood, including stocks, options, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Stocks represent ownership in companies. Options give you the right to buy or sell stocks at a set price. ETFs are baskets of securities that track an index. And cryptocurrencies are digital currencies. To place an order, navigate to the stock or asset you want to invest in and click the Buy button. You can then choose the type of order you want to place, such as market or limit. A market order will execute immediately at the current market price, while a limit order will execute at a specific price you set. It is essential to set a budget and stick to it. Determine how much you can afford to invest each month and set up a recurring investment to make investing a habit. It is also crucial to diversify your portfolio by investing in a variety of assets to minimize risk. Before investing, research the company or asset you are interested in. Look at the company's financials, management team, and industry trends. You can also use the news and analysis section on Robinhood to stay up to date on market news and trends. To minimize risk, consider setting stop-loss orders, which will automatically sell your assets if they fall below a certain price. You can also use dollar cost averaging, which involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the market's performance. Finally, monitor your portfolio regularly and adjust as needed. You can use the portfolio tracker on Robinhood to see how your investments are performing and make changes to your portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with your investment goals. By following these steps and best practices, you can start investing on Robinhood and work towards achieving your financial goals.